But it doesn't rain, it pours. Now it's pouring cats and dogs. Oh, Mr. Mayor, he thought to himself if he got the 20 million that was outstanding or that goes under mismanagement or that was falsely allocated, he thought that maybe, just maybe, if he paid back the money, then that means he's clean. Sasemsulo zaqhubeka nokuba umeya wase-ebumnyameni, but it looks like not really, because now for some unknown reason there was a meeting gathering that happened and they decided to vote him out. This happened soon after he called umhlangano webandla ukuthi lalelani, leyo mali leyo kuthiwa ayikho seyikhona manje, bizani abo accountant. This was on a phone call with one of ama offices lawo beka investigator. So yabatshela ukuthi ngicela nibiza ama accountant wenu ba check bank balance lapho imali seyikhona, and then akhona mina ngumuntu straight or right. The bottom line is ngulo muntu loyo onga thathi izimali zabantu. So then he decided to call a quick meeting. He called abantu basemnyameni for an urgent meeting to tell them ukuthi lalelani, le mali nathi mina ngiyitshontshile ikhona, so relaxani, ningasalibi nikhuluma ngegama lami nihamba nifafaza amanga, ikhona le mali. So njengoba nje ngimsulwa ke kusho ukuthi yena ngisazoba umeya wenu othembekile. While he was still giving his pride and lousy speech, ngena ama texting, and then everyone was on their phone. Now he then said ukuthi yazi angithandisisi ukuthi when I'm addressing you njengomphakathi wami, you guys are all on the phone, what is going on? Bese gena uMartha naye uyayithola that notification which says ukuthi Mr. Mayor has been removed as a mayor of ebumnyameni, so it means that uphumile. Then he takes the phone and check, and then he realized ngakubi kampela, and he did not know about that. Now it's like, no, ningahambi nivuma yonke into ekhulunywa la ngaphandle, abantu banamanga yazi, people lie a lot, this is just fake news. Athi again it's not fake news. Kahle kahle babizile umhlangano wamakhansela lana bayenza i-vote of no confidence, wena ungazi sabe uvotelwe out ke baba. Injalo, you are the only one that doesn't know, and umphakathi knows. I foresee this guy calling Nuka, I'm telling you. And nizothi angintshela, and when I come back ngithi ngantshela, you guys are gonna say mina njani njani, nizothi angintshela. I foresee him calling uNcuka ukuthi lalela, ayi ungathi lento wayikhuluma seyenzeka manje, there's no way. And him afonela uNcuka, this is gonna be on a nyonyobing style. He's not gonna publicly do it because uMartha said we are not going back there. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, sanibonani, abusheni, molweni, minjani, yipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka noglowa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ekumakoroshula samsaka ngikahle, looking at the fact that somebody, they gave her a job. And then a week in, seraqala uyatoyitoya, ngifuna i-toilet lami, ngifuna i-changing room yami, power for abantu besifazane abanakwa lana, ungathi thina sibo abantu, njanjani kwasha wacima, uThini ke lo. The same Tiny bekancenga umsebenzi. The same Tiny bekafuna ukuveza amabele for uTeam. The same Tiny lo abamncengela umsebenzi le kulabaphathi abakhulu. Sekayadotoya ke manje. 1 week in, everybody else has been working for the longest time and they've never toitoya even one day, but Tiny, a week in already, now she's putting her demands on the floor. Now this got Team very frustrated, and he was like, you know what, sengiyayisola. If it was me vele bengizoyisola, awu angeke abengizoyisola ngempela. Lothu umuntu emsebenzini manje sawenza kanje ahlambalaza phambi kwabantu, akakhuluma ugele, akazenzela umathanda ugele, phatha ngiyagula, phatha kwama pain, phatha abantu besifazane, but when she got there, she knew vele ukuthi umsebenzi lo wamadoda and it's heavy enough. And beside, uThini une history yokungasebenzi, asebenza umlomo. You remember she used to work le kaMartha hotel. Did she survive? No. akavela yenza i-YouTube lo uthayini because ayikho into ayokhuluma akakwazi ukusebenza mangasebenzi la ukhuluma ngomlomo hayi cha. So manje uTim was like, no, I'm done, I'm tired of this shenanigans, so kushuthi uzodecide ukuthi wenza kanjani. And akhona ukubonisa ukuthi ukwatile uTim bathe mabahamba bashayisa hayi uTim was not even interested ukuthi ahambe naye. On the other hand, sikhuluma boma Cape Town, boma Witwatersrand and stuff, uMillie is back. She says that she wants to come to highlight the parents before aya ko varsity before dikolo di bula o tshwanetse gore a tlo o dumedisa setswadi gore bathong le shapona bianong bothata ke gore when she get back hawa a shifa ba mo feel responsibility ya gore bona re kopa o re thuse ka kaise gore kaisa ska ya go Cape Town. But unfortunately the messenger was not messengering because upalletse go beya taba and then kaisa already picked it up gore ha ba o rumile. And if you remember, Baba Itune was in a relationship with Eshab. So with her being this tumiwa thing, it might jeopardize the relationship between Ukaise and Umile. But then Umile went back and gave the mother feedback. Horbona Kizamile Marahawa. So now, which means that these people should just let her be. At some point, I foresee her changing her mind or maybe going there. Which is not the glitz and the glam that I thought I actually want to go home. But they must just allow her Putawake afunde from Warner because I feel like they want to puta. And if she does not make Amaputa, she'll never learn. I remember there was a saying that regudanga madondo. So you have to have madondo so that you can guda. You see? So anyway, on the other hand again, Miss Martha is willing to pay for whatever that Kaisa wants, but she is asking that Kaisa reconsider going there. And I'm just glad you must do this for yourself, not for anybody else, and just make sure that when we're helping out whatever decision that you're going to do. Well, when they saw Umile walk in, they were like, oh, because if Umile akona, at least Bukona itemba. But it looks like the temper was short-lived. Because tell me why. Now the interest level is on 0. Anywho, on the other hand, again, Mr. Mayor going back to him, meeting it did not pay lagahle because Parati is not interested in anything that he has to say, and they were busy making a hoo-ha with havoc. I think kuzofika laba zomshaya khona lo baba because what do you mean? They're not even interested in listening to what he's saying. But the question is, why are they still even attending the meeting? They should just let him have the meeting by himself. I mean, this is embarrassment after embarrassment after embarrassment for Umata, because every day they're meeting yabo. Iphela snacks, man. Every day Iphela snacks. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. I really appreciate you coming to my channel on a daily basis. Please do give the video a big thumbs up and leave your comment. I love hearing from you.